So what is going on, everyone? I'm gonna boss with you here. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you an easy way of how to unblur images on Tinder of people who have liked you, and this is how to do it. Firstly, I'm going to put these links in the description, and these are the following steps. So the first step, you're going to have to install a script manager. That's going to be an extension of your browser, maybe a Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge. For Safari, you're going to have to look for the violent monkey in your browser. What you're going to do is just go to this link, open it. I'm going to put these links in the description. So when it loads the violent monkey, what you're going to do is you're going to first install or add this extension to your browser, and okay, I think it has been added. You have to maybe check to see, to confirm if it has been activated. Okay, there we go. Okay, check into your extensions and come into the extension manager. Yes, it is activated, so we can close this. And the second thing we're going to do is we're going to have to go to the second step, which is installing the script. Open the script, and okay, when it comes, what you just do, just confirm the installation. Okay, when you're done, come back to your Tinder page, and we can see it's still blurred here. What you're going to do is just refresh, wait for it. Okay, and checking your liked images, and there you go. Very easy and blurred. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.